Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Jadine. I'm a classically trained chef. I've worked as a professional chef for over 15 years. I've also worked as a private chef and I've worked in some of the best restaurants. So today I'm going to show you how to make a berry compote. So let's get right into it. And don't forget to wash your berries. So make sure your berries are washed and dried. I have some fresh strawberries, fresh blueberries. I have a lemon and some sugar in the raw. That's it. 4 ingredients. Cup of blueberries. So 1 cup of blueberry. I'm going to place it directly into the pot and cut some strawberries as well. So we're just going to get rid of the top of the strawberry. And then we're going to quarter the strawberries, about a cup. And then we're going to add those to the pot as well. And in this pot, I'm going to add about a cup of sugar, some fresh lemon juice, about 1.5 teaspoons. Those are all the ingredients combined in the pot. So now we're going to place the pot over the heat and we're going to let this kind of get a little hot, start boiling, then we'll reduce it. So after about 2 minutes, this is what's happening. The sugar is melting. We're just going to let the sugar keep melting and then reducing until we start to get that sticky consistency. It is coming along. It looks really pretty. So we're just going to reduce the heat and let it just slowly kind of just combine with the sugar and the berries and just form into a nice sauce. So this consistency, it's a little too liquidy. You're looking for more of a thicker consistency, so we're just going to reduce it a little further until we have a sticky or a jam-like consistency. So now I'm going to place it into a glass bowl. Really simple and easy. This took about 40 minutes and the ingredients, only 4 ingredients. So we're going to let this cool. And after it cools, I'm going to refrigerate it so I can enjoy it at a later date. Maybe tomorrow morning for breakfast. The berry compote is really just a sugar and a fruit mixture together, and it's cooked usually on a stovetop until the fruit softens and kind of just collapsed into a sauce, and that is really what it is. That's all the berry compote is. Thank you for joining. I will see you in my next video. Bye.